What is going on, guys? How is it going? If you guys are watching this video, that means that I'm in the process of molding the wide body on the BRZ like I've mentioned so many times. I finally started doing it, but this is all I'm gonna show you guys. For the past few days, all I've been doing is just molding this wide body. It's literally just been sanding, and more sanding. So today I finally decided to take a little break from it. I'm absolutely just sick of trying to mold this wide body onto the car. And you guys can probably hear it in my voice that I'm starting to lose my voice again. So that's just awesome. I'm sorry you guys have to hear this. I have to hear this literally all day and it's super annoying, so I can't even imagine how annoyed you guys must be. But we have a few things to get done today, one of which won't be cleaning the garage. There's literally just fiberglass and Bondo dust just everywhere. This car is just completely caked in it. And this isn't even the car that we're doing. It literally does look like I do crack because my whole garage is just caked in whiteness. I am not looking forward to cleaning this all up. Molding the wide body on this car has been a process for a few days now. But if I was a pro and knew what I was doing, it wouldn't take this long. It would take a few days at max. And the reason why it's taking me so long is because I'm not even like a beginner. Like a beginner is up here. I'm down here with body work. Like I'm terrible with it, but I really wanted to take the challenge of doing this myself. So even if it takes 2 weeks worth of work just molding this wide body, I'm gonna do it. I wanna make sure that this thing comes out absolutely perfect. So today we're not gonna be worrying about this, but we are gonna be worrying about two different cars. One of which is this beauty right over here. Now you guys have seen me driving this for the past 2 videos. I told you guys that I wasn't gonna get into it right away, but today I'll explain everything. So this right here, bros, is a 2014 Honda Civic Si Coupe. You guys have seen me drive this in the past 2 videos. I didn't explain whose car it was, but I told you guys it wasn't mine, and it's not actually mine. This car belongs to my little brother. It's pretty basic. It's just a Honda Civic Si. It did come with some ESR wheels and it came with D2 coilovers, and it also has a Skunk 2 exhaust. Since the BRZ's down, I've pretty much taken this car over and honestly, I've fallen in love with it. Pretty sweet car. We are going to be doing some mods to it. We don't have any mods to slap on it just yet, but it will be on the channel, and if you guys want to see something specific with this car, leave it down in the comments and maybe we'll do it. I'm also waiting for Jay to get out of class. Once he gets out of class, he's going to bring the WRX down here and we are going to unwrap it. While we're waiting for him, I'm gonna head to the tire shop. I need to put the stock wheels back on the BRZ and I need to get these wheels unmounted so I can take them apart and measure for fitment. I need to figure out what lips and barrels I need to order for the front and the rears. I think I have about an hour left till Jay gets here. So let's go ahead and throw these wheels into the Civic. I can easily fit another tire in this thing. This thing is so practical. I just had to change. Today is absolutely beautiful outside. New Jersey is finally starting to get warmer. It's great. That's all I can say. It's just great. I feel like if it was any louder, then it'd be ricey. I just have 2 tires in my trunk that I need to get unmounted.
Yeah, not on those rims.
No, not on these. I have
just regular stock wheels?
Yeah, no, not stock, but they're not stretched or anything.
What size are they working on wheels?
I think they're 18 by 9, but like the tire fits over them fine. I just need a
regular stock wheel. If it's not a stock wheel, we don't touch it.
It's not a stock wheel.
Yeah.
Alright, no problem. Thank you. No luck there. Let's go somewhere else and see if somebody else can do it. Let's see if Pep Boys can take off the wheels. Damn, dude, this is turning into a whole journey just to unmount some tires. Pep Boys couldn't do it because they said like the bead was too low for their machine or something like that, but their machine wasn't able to take it out, so let's see where we go next.
A few moments later.
Look at who made it to my house before I did. Like I said, today's gonna be the last day that the purple is gonna be on the WRX. Dude, I went to 2 shops and then called a 3rd one and nobody could unmount my wheels. Unmounting my wheels seems to be harder than actually going to get my wheels. But dude, the purple's gonna be gone today.
Yeah, actually, I'm not sure.
Oh, what?
Yeah,
Oh.
no, it's gonna happen. It's
gonna happen eventually, but not today.
I just don't know if it's gonna happen today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I mean, dude, I was gonna miss the purple.
No,
I love the purple. I'm not gonna lie. Wait, so if we're not taking the purple off, what are we doing, man?
So I was talking to MP last night.
Yeah.
And
the same guy that fixed your car.
yeah.
Yeah.
So he's gonna do my whole like airbags, like trunk.
Oh, the
setup.
trunk setup. Oh, you're finally doing it?
And I'm also gonna install the seats.
No way. Is he doing it or you're
Yeah, he's
okay?
doing it.
So you're gonna get new seats and a trunk setup.
Well, I already have the seats, so I'm gonna get.
Okay, well you're getting the seats installed.
Yeah.
And are the seats in there?
Yeah.
No way, they fit in the car. Both seats?
Both seats, yeah.
Dude, look, can I see them?
Yeah.
Dude, that's dope. Dude, what? That's, oh my God.
We're still, I haven't taken it.
I know, but you could see like what color, dude, this is the color that I wanted so bad.
Really?
Remember when I had the olive green?
Oh yeah, we wanted the.
I wanted a burgundy interior, dude, but that's sick, man.
This is maroon. The same shit.
I mean, yeah, it's burgundy-ish. I mean, dude, maroon and burgundy, it's like the same thing.
It really is, yeah.
Dude, but the seat's actually insane. Is it comfy?
Yeah.
Do you sit in it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see, is it first impressions? Oh, this seat's nice,
It's pretty
dude.
comfy, yeah.
Dude, it's a Brom racing seat. It's a racing seat.
Yeah.
Dude, oh my God. Oh, dude, no, I kind of want it.
Right?
How much was it?
1100, I think.
Okay, yeah, I don't really.
For both though. With everything.
Yeah, I don't really want it anymore. I'm all right. You can keep it, man. I'm all right.
It was the seats, the harnesses, everything.
And you got white harnesses too, right?
Yeah.
Dude, that's gonna look sick, man. The back is carbon fiber?
It's like, yeah, it's not like.
Oh, it's not like actual carbon fiber, but it like, yeah, I know what you mean. But no, they have like these little loops for like the seat belts. And Jay has some awesome ass seat belts or harnesses or whatever you guys want to call it.
Actually, my dumb ass.
What?
Well, I was looking online and I saw like Car ID had them.
Yeah.
You know, I don't like to buy from Car ID.
Yeah.
But, you know,
But you did. You did anyway.
Yeah, I was like, it's Brom. So I'm like, you know, why would they have like, you know,
Yeah.
like fucked up Brom or like. You know,
Wait, so is
Brom.
that from Car ID?
Yeah, it is.
So.
But on Car ID, it says 5-point harness set.
Yeah.
Usually when it's a set, it means 2.
Yeah.
And
So
it
it's only
was like,
one.
It's only one. Yeah.
Damn.
So I need to order the other one.
What does it look like? Dude, that's
This is
pretty.
mad complicated, but.
Dude, that's so hot boy though. That's so hot boy. Oh,
Like-
careful.
I don't even know how.
That's pretty, dude.
Yeah.
That is nice. Dude, that's sick. Oh my God, and we're finally gonna get rid of your bunk trunk setup. We said this was gonna be temporary, but we said it was gonna be temporary months ago when we first installed the air system. Dude, I'm hyped for you, man.
Yeah, fact.
That is sick. I know you guys can't feel how comfortable they are because I've sat in a Sparco racing seat before and I was like, wow, they're cool, but I would never be able to daily drive in them. But I would totally be able to daily drive in this. So it's been like 2 or 3 hours since I last talked to you guys. Not much has happened. One of my friends works at a tire shop and me and Jay took those wheels to the tire shop and he said that he couldn't even take them off. Since we're taking Jay's car back to MP Built so we can get a few things done, I'm just gonna give my tires and wheels to them and see if they can take a crack at it. All right, little man, so just follow me. That sound never gets old. The plan is now that we're dropping off Jay's car here, just a whole row of S2000s. We didn't say goodbye to the purple today, but we are saying goodbye to the WRX. How funny is it that you dropped off the WRX here and you wanted it back so bad and within the same week you're dropping it off again?
For real.
Dude, you just never have your car, man.
I mean, you know, I'm getting shit done to it, so.
Yeah.
You know, at least it's for a good reason. This
Yeah.
time.
Oh, dude, I know, those are the same wheels, dude. Holy shit. It's the same color too. Those are the same colors as my wheels. I definitely want to run deep lips on my new wheel setup. What do you guys think about that on the BRZ? Should I run this deep of a lip or should I keep the face fairly out? Bye-bye wheels. We'll see you on Friday, Sky. Third time here at MP Build. I'm really liking how they do everything. I'm really liking their efficiency and the owner is awesome. I'm definitely going to end up bringing my BRZ here. I know there wasn't much going on today, but you guys are asking for more videos and I want to give you guys more videos. We don't really do a lot every single day, so I wasn't really planning to record today, but I decided to. So I hope you guys enjoyed enjoyed it. But I'm gonna end the video right here because we're just gonna head home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out.